You won't believe what I garbage picked yesterday. It was a downright Christmas miracle. I'm going to show you what I garbage picked at noon, and a couple hours later, it was a beautiful Christmas accessory. And it cost me $0. A little cleaning and some leftover paint.
Look at that.
Look at that. Merry Christmas.
Here you are.
So I have a Christmas tree up on the front porch, but I have my old tree skirt around it, and I thought it doesn't look very nice. I wanted to get like a cover for the bottom. I made Greg drive around with me, and this is what we found. It's actually the bottom of a wicker chair, and he took it apart, and we're gonna use this instead of a tree skirt. Dad and Greg cut off the legs for me. Then Dad drilled a hole in the top. I painted it with some gold paint. And Dad helped me put it in the stand. Now to hide this area and the stem, we're gonna just stick some pine cones under there, and it'll hide everything. Look how nice that looks. Now I gotta figure out what to do with that plug. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below.